Hey guys, what's up? It's another day and I'm going to my auntie's house so I can go do her ear. I'm gonna do a lace frontal install. So I got my bag packed up and I'm going. The kiddies they just love going in my bag, right? Mind your birthday flat iron. So yeah. That's my mask. I'm gonna wear it. You gonna put it in my bag for me? Thank you. Jayla. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Kayla. Watcha, they're just so fun and loving, right? Yes. Watcha. Oh, what happened? You hurt yourself? Anyways, guys, Master Jaden coming. So I am gonna leave now. Look at all the hair. I was trying to cut some of this. No, the ear the me. Sure. But yeah, guys, I'm going now. Perfection. That's just a sneak peek of stuff I use, although these stuff are not in the rightful bottle. I left the actual bottle at home. I use bold hold. If I don't use bold hold, I use this one, Now Let Go, from Eye Candy Creation, which I did not bring. So guys, I am leaving now. I have ice cream. I'm finished my auntie's hair. I'll show you a picture just now of how it looks. Aww. Hear me now, you see, this man, him name Kemar. Him love play PUBG and inna the war. When him a play him, you better stay far. And the band, him will run you over with him car. Kemar, him love his split, and him love his split fine free. And him down like Frederick and just broken. He just love to play PUBG with him dog them. Yes, you see Kemar, him run PUBG. Him feel like he is PUBG king. But let me tell you, say, that PUBG, something I gonna make me take off me ring, car. Me tired of when Kemara play PUBG, car. They can't bother cause me ignore me, because him love me PUBG, him love me PUBG, him love me PUBG, him love a PUBG. Hey guys, Gwaan. I did not vlog today, but as this guys seen from the last clip, I was playing Uno with some with my friend and his girlfriend and his family. So I'm actually going around there to play some more Uno tonight again. Today was just a very rainy day and I actually slept all day today because, as I said, it was raining. Me not do nothing in a rain. Me not go nowhere in a rain. So yeah, I just bathed and I'm gonna go around there. I'm just waiting for him to come pick me up. We're gonna play some more Uno and such. Guys, morning. Oh my god, guys. You guys see how me wrap up? It is cold out here. Like, when I say it's cold, it's freezing out here. Huh? Oh, me not bathe yet. I'm too cold right now. Yeah, I'm freezing. Like, I feel sick. Oh, it's cold. I know. But guys, yeah, man, it's cool. Guys, I'll have to draw for my hoodie because, yo, the cold ain't no game out here. That's what I'm saying. Right now my throat feel one way. Like I'm not sick, but anytime that I'm in any type of cold for like a good amount of time, my body's, or not my body, but my throat and like my nose start to feel one way. And no, it's not corona. That's just how I am as a person. If I'm in cold areas for too long. You want to see me wrap up in nice sheet? Well, you guys seen that in the last clip, but look, all Babe have on his hoodie. Jesus. And of course he's playing his little PUBG. Let me show you guys how it Gwaan. That game. Like this is what the man them are obsessed with. People have relationship problem because of this game. It's so wicked. But yeah guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. May I try to do something today because for the past 2 days I don't do nothing and that can't go on. Like me feel bored. So